Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. Today's Mother's Day, and it's beautiful. It's awful warm. I don't mind. Other people do, but I like the heat. Just a bunch of hungry pigs. They're always hungry. Okay, Harold. It's not your lunchtime yet. You just want to make a bunch of noise, huh? Okay, I'll give you something. Give you a treat. Yes, I spoil my pigs. A little corn treat. Still, it's time to feed them some alfalfa. I'll hold them over. Give them something to do. Same deal on this side. Well, I need to go in there and get the egg before they decide to eat it. I don't know why the ducks lay eggs out in the middle of the chicken coop. Well, it's a little early to be getting eggs, but it's not too bad. I already seen evidence of one being ate. So this chicken feed, yeah. Once it's gone, it will not ever come back here. Alright, they're not happy. Their treat was grass hay. They're eating it until I walked over here. They're looking for something better. Spoiled pigs. Yeah, beautiful day to be taking the drive on the farm. What are you doing, goats? Alright, we're heading down to give some treats to the pigs and plus feed them. They like this fruit here. Ready, guys? Yep, they're going hog wild over that fruit. Sally licking the bucket. Weird dog. Alright, I got one more egg from the chickens. Harold and the piglets eating alfalfa. I don't know, this one wants a special treat or something. What do you want, piggy? I don't know. I don't understand pig. And Petunia, one of the babies. The crowd is watching, waiting for their alfalfa. Yeah, I hear you. Ooh. They act like they're starving. They had grass hay this morning, which they ate. That's all I don't want to ride. I think the seat's too hot, sitting in the sun. Yeah, ran over, dummy. Alright, Charlie's taking the decorations down from yesterday. Mother's Day dinner is cooking or burning, I'm not sure which. Okay, Charlie got them flipped and the lid shut. I think we're gonna have to lower the flame a little bit. Well, it's not too bad now. Alright, well, I'll go down here and get the first wobbly car train. It was apparently made to be pulled behind a quad. I'm going to take this up to the shop and see if we can't modify this first one and see if it's possible. Chop it up and make it where it actually hooks directly to the lawnmower. Okay, I got a chain to the back of the golf cart. This is just to get it up to the shop. And we'll see if we modify it. Alright, come down here and bring these pigs. We only got 2 more eggs, that's good. Anyway, all the animals are taken care of. The pigs now have their grain. They're happy. Petunia and one of the babies over here eating the grain. Yep, a happy family having their grain right here. Yeah, I'm not sure how happy though. Well, it's been another great day. It's the end of my time down here at the barn. All the animals are fed and taken care of. We're going to go back up to the house and have Mother's Day dinner. All the kids are here, except for one. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great Mother's Day evening.